Hello, good afternoon, sir and everyone. Before I start my presentation, let me introduce myself. My name is Hani Lida Butar. I am from 4BC class English department. In this video, I'm going to review a journal article. The title is Elementary Social Studies Research Scaffolding to Scriptwriting by Ronald V. Morris, Ball State University, volume number 57, issue number 2, publication year 2021. The number of page is 30. Okay, let's begin. Abstract. This article examines one teacher's model for elementary school research, scaffolding and script writing enriched two student portrayals of notable Indian figures. It includes step-by-step procedures, examines the experience of student and teacher, and provides useful teachers materials in the appendix. Introduction. Miles, a fourth grade student, said, I learned a lot about the past, what research did to shape India's history, and how it all come together to form the world we live in today. Each year, the fourth grade students in Mrs. Carr's class at Parks Elementary School learn to do research on important people from their state by writing scripts and producing first-person presentation. How did students learn the research process and place it in a form they inform their community? The students presented their information to the committee through a musical review of historical figures that were researched and grouped into thematic vignettes, and they gave three different daytime performances for the public. Okay, learning to write scripts to create drama. When elementary students engage in social studies and drama, they need to work with real content using primary search. Students engage in library work to discover multiple perspectives. However, they need to use primary search to help the students to understand power relation between the characters. The student Once they understand the past, they can empathize with the people. Students also work together to create a program which requires multiple opportunities for teamwork and leadership communication skills. The students take what they have learned about the past and control script. In the past, multiple methodologies have been used to help students translate their feeling into social knowledge. While drama, games, guided imagery, pantomime, puppetry, and telex have been used with many elementary students. These students created script. Okay, creating new knowledge. Mrs. Carr, a fourth grade teacher, wanted to introduce her students to important people and said as indicated in her fourth grade social studies curriculum. Her first attempts were a parade of Hoosiers in which her students, dressed as the character they selected, created a float on a wagon or a skateboard. Everybody participated, and there was a mixture of accomplishments with the parade. While it was an acceptable experience, after an additional teacher in service on research, she became dissatisfied with the superficial research that her students were doing. Standard C3 curriculum investigation through the inquiry arch. D1. Determine the kinds of search that will be helpful in answering compelling and supporting questions, taking into consideration the different opinions people have about how to answer the question. The true use information about a historical search, including the maker, date, place of origin, intended audience, and purpose to judge the extent to which the search is useful for studying a particular topic. The 3. Identify evidence that draws information from multiple search in response to compelling question. Therefore, draw a disciplinary concept to explain the challenges people have faced and opportunities they have created in addressing local, regional, and global problems at various times and places. As each source of information was reviewed, the students were expected to generate questions about their character. Some students wrote questions such as, when were they born? How were they educated? Why did they select the work of their life? What was one of their most famous works? The students generated 20 questions at then that they then put into categories. Kerr said, some students needed more support than others. That's why, as to play the general outline on they have generated questions. We look at their questions and collectively organize them into the outline as a place. Assessment. The exhibit was great as homework since it was done at home. For the exhibit, Carr evaluated the impact of the character on society, description of their career, timeline, map to site accuracy, portrait map, and other visual with search chat. Carr explained, fourth grader students were not asked to write a paper or report with footnotes. However, they did write a three-paragraph summary for their exhibit board in stage 14 font, which was a synopsis of their notes from section 2 and 3. The oral reports culminated into the drama day musical for the state bicentennial. It combined the 4th and 5th grade students who were Mrs. Carr's form students. The school had a tradition of drama day in November where the 5th grade drama and music teacher usually had the students do a classic musical such as a Christmas carol or something related to their other subjects such as drama about the parts of speech or the explorers. Rabridge. Mrs. Carr created a Rabridge to communicate to her students how the world meet national standards and how their social studies work would be great. The Rabridge used the C3 curriculum and evaluated the use of search for formulate question, evaluation of search, decision based on research conclusion, and then identification and solution of community problems. Andy, one of Carr's students, said, I found information on the internet, in books, encyclopedias, and from reading biographies. I read net cards based on all of my reading about Mayhuzer and his history site. Example of student work. The student told story about their peers, spoke about themselves, and asked questions of each other. Betty Grissom told about her husband Vigil Ivan, better known as Gus Grissom. I researched Techums. I was surprised about how many other famous hosts knew him and were included by him. Catherine Wright talked about her brothers Webs and Orville, and Amelia Earhart talked about herself. Okay, next, conclusion. Conclusion from the journal article is teachers have wrestled with how to provide scaffolding experience for elementary students as they conduct research in social studies projects. It is about what scaffolding looks like, how it was accomplished, and the result of scaffolding varies considerably between authors. But they tend to coalesce around both the social speech and human interaction while learning occurs. The students working in Mrs. Carr's class used her structure to create their final products, but they also work together to present their work to multiple audiences in their community. As they participated in a well-defined project, the students demonstrated their competition for their peers and their community. In this particular case, The Union of Inquiry and Historical Research provide a providing environment of peer interaction for upper elementary children investigating social studies content with sophisticated thinking strategies. Uh, the impact on the students and their families is always intense. Since Carr has done this research and oral report part of the project for multiple years, the student told her years after the fact that they appreciated her efforts to educate them. Teaching historical research skill is a complex task. As an experienced teacher, she had selling insight into how to help students as they approach a beginning research project. As she prepared to retire after her 40 year, Carr said, even though I have done this project multiple times, it is never the same because the students always have different interests. She never did the project the same way because she was always trying to improve it. The students change over the years, but their newfound ability to research using social studies allow them to transfer the skills that they learn from this even to other situations in their lives and education. Okay, this is reference from this journal article. You can see in PowerPoint. Okay, thank you for your attention. I apologize if there are shortcomings in my presentation.